Yeah, you are welcome to the Victoria Falls Bridge. This is the main bridge which connects Zambia and Zimbabwe. Long time ago, us Zambian and Zimbabwe never used passports to pass across this bridge. But this time, we have to use our passports due to the Ian Smith and Mr. Kaunda, Mr. Mugabe, they had to set up the meeting on the same bridge. So this time, going into Zimbabwe, we have to use our passport. Also, Zimbabweans going into Zambia, they use their own passports. And it's the main bridge which also people do the bungee jumping and stuff. They also do the bridge swing and also they do the zip line. If you really want to enjoy, come here and see what people are doing. It's also a business bridge. People are coming here to do business as well. They do sell crafts, they do. It's like a marketing place because the tourists are coming here. So they bring a little that people can get and then they go back home. They help their families, just like that. That's how we live on this bridge. It is commemorated after 100 years, which was because it was commemorated in 1905. So it's almost having like 109 years somewhere there. So it's an old bridge. It's not just a small bridge, but it's a big bridge which everybody comes here to visit and everybody comes here to enjoy the view and also to see the falls as well. Because also you are able to see the falls on the bridge as well. So right now where you see me standing here, this is just like the demarcation where two countries divide themselves. On the right hand, that's the Zimbabwean side, and on the left hand is the Zambian side. So when I'm standing here, it's like no man's land. And this part here on the Zambian side is also the beautiful view of the Victoria Falls where people normally go to see the falls as well. Tourists normally come also from the Zimbabwean side just to see the falls on the Zambian side. And also tourists, they normally come from the Zambian side. They go to see the falls. This part, that side, that's the Zimbabwean side. And sometimes people normally also walk on top of the Zambezi during like this time when the water level is very low. Because there's also a pool which is called the Devil's Pool on the Livingstone Island where people normally go to swim there. It's also a very good view and people also have lunch that side as well. This is where I'm standing here. This is our railway line. This railway line, it helps us in both countries to transfer goods and also coal as well. Because Zimbabwe is very rich in coal, so we use coal to mine copper on the Zambian side. So we get coal, the train uses the train to get coal on the Zimbabwean side, and also we take some food also from the Zambian side, like maize, we take into Zimbabwe as well, just like brothers and sisters. Because Zimbabwe, Zambia is like one country long time ago, like I said before. So this time we're like just helping each other, but it's only due to this COVID stuff, which is like blocking up borders and stuff that people are not moving a lot like the way they used to do business before the COVID stuff. But we hope things will be better in future because we know the COVID is almost coming to an end. People will still be moving up and down, trying to get a living. Because we get food also from the Zimbabwean side, like cooking oil, but this time it's very difficult to get oil from the Zimbabwean side because the borders are almost closed. So where I'm standing here, as you can see, there's a picture which shows you what happens here. This is where they do the bungee jump, they do the swing, and also they do the zip line as well. So if you mind coming here to do such kind of things, you are always welcome to the bridge. Because this is called the Victoria Falls Bungee Bridge. That's where people normally come to do their activities. Also businesses are happening on the same bridge. When the tourists come after they do the bungee jump, they normally do some selling and stuff, the exchange of goods and money. So people always help themselves on the same bridge as well. If you mind having a look here, there's a good, if you have a look here, there's also a picture which shows you what happens. That's the zip line there, and this is the bungee jump, and that's the swing. If you look over there, that's the bridge swing, and that's a tandem one, because some people do go both together, and that's a tandem swing. And the bungee can't go tandem swing, you only go one at a time.